Welcome to CAD Concept. Today we'll explore 10 important and highly productive list routines. List routines in AutoCAD. You can generally automate your most of the work process using list routines. We will explore here. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Hatch area. This multiple hatches we have, okay? Without any boundary, I will find out area in square meter in text format, okay? Let this HAR, select your hatch and click here. Select your hatch, click here. Select your hatch and click here. This one also, and I want this one also. Entirely select all and click here. So this way you can find out hatch area in square meter in text format. Number 2, block count. As much as block we have, I will count in text format. Let this here. C block, select all, enter, and click here. Block counts we are getting as much as we have with similar quantity. If you see here, this way directly you can find out your block count in just one time. As you see here, sometime text we are not getting proper position. You can zoom extend to check out. Number 3, change color. I want to change color without going property, okay? Directly from here, CLRR and choose your color. Just you have to click your object and it will open automatically your color box and you can choose from here. For hatches, line, text, any object you can directly change color from here. You don't need to go property and to check out your color. Number 4, count vertex. As much as vertex we have, I want to count in text format. Okay, number of vertex, how much we are getting. I will count. Okay, let this here. We count. Select your P line, enter, click here. 45 vertexes you are getting here. Select your P line, circle and click here. Select your arc, click here. I want entirely. We count, select all and click here. This is the perfect way to count vertexes in just one time. Number 5, create block. Creating block but quickly, okay? If you see here, these objects we have, we are not getting in block. Let this here. CBL, select your object, enter. And provide name here. Let this plant and choose base point. Okay, this one also. Select your object, enter, choose your name and choose base point. Means you do not require to go property, but also here you can simply place just by name and base point directly over the screen as you see here. Number 6, layer length. How much layer based total length we have, separate layer we have. I will find out layer length for each line, P line, object, how much particular layer based length we are getting. Let this here, MLYR, select all, enter, and click here to get your, total length running meter. Now you see here, wall this much length, column this much, hash boundary this much. As much as separate object with layer based you have, you want to find out particular running meter for the layer, you can simply this way. Number 7, quick layer. I want to create layer quickly, okay? Let this CLYR, input your layer name. Let this here block, directly choose from here color. Same again, let this column and choose color. Let this here text and choose color. You don't require to go layer property to rename and to choose your color, but also you can directly create layer from here. Number 8. Coordinates. I will input coordinates straight to x and y, each and every vertexes, not vertex only, keep anywhere. X, Y, C, R, and double click here. You are getting x is equal to and y is equal to. Here also and here also. Let this here also and here also. This way you can provide your coordinates in text format directly over the screen, as you see here. This is the fastest way to place coordinates in just one time. Let this check out ID to match it is okay or not. Exactly, we are getting our coordinates over here. Number 9. Hash boundary. Multiple hatches we have. We will create boundary with separate layer. Means our created boundary should be separate layer. Let this HBO boundary layer created. Select all, enter. Now you see here, you are getting hash boundary as a P line with separate layer. Means you can find out your hash boundary with separate layer in just one time, and it will activate your layer also. This is the easiest way to create boundary over the hash in just one time. Number 10. Layer list. I will list layer in text format. This number of layers we have, I will list over the screen in text format. Okay, double LIST and click here, as you see here. So number of layers you are getting in text format over the screen. So these are the layer already we have. We have extracted simply here, as you see here. So this way you can extract your layer in text format in just one time. I hope you got this video helpful. Must explore advanced automation task. You will get more than 200 Lisp routines over there. Definitely this will help you automate your most of the process. You can find the link in description. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment as soon as possible. I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.